Hi there, it's Nicola, and in today's video I'm showing you how to use a food processor to shred or grate cheese. So I've cut a block of cheddar cheese here, and I'm just going to remove the lid on the food processor. This is the disc, and these are the blades that you use for shredding, or grating as we call it. And you want to make sure that the raised bumps here are on the top when you put it into the food processor. And then you need to just put the lid on and click it into place. I'm going to press the control that runs it continuously because that's best for grating. Then you need to just pop the cheese into this feeder tube on the top. And I'm going to just use the pusher to gently push it down once I've turned it on. There we go, all done, and now I'm just going to take the lid off. And you can see there that there's some cheese stuck around the edge of the lid, but that's okay, it'll just wash off. Then just take the disc out. I'll lift the jog off so you can see it. And you can see all the cheese is grated there. It grates quite finely, this food processor, I'm not sure why. I'll tip it out onto a plate so that you can see it properly. That was actually quite a small block of cheese, but it's grated quite a bit there. That can just go in the fridge now to be used as and when. So that's how you use a food processor to shred or grate cheese. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.